Hi everyone, this is a Zone 1350 padlock. It's the 40mm version, really nicely made lock. It's the keyway. As you can see, it's a removable core. That's the bitting for this particular one. It's a brand new lock, so it works as such. Let's get it in the vise, see if we can't pick it. Alright, so Z wrench in the open side, picking using this slight hook in moderate tension. It's a sprung core, so it needs a bit of pressure on there. Start at the back, a little bit from pin 4. So full set from pin 2. Pin 4 or 5. Then counter rotation. It's stuck between the wrench and the pick. That's it. It's picked open on pin 4.